Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to convert Excel file to PDF file. So we have two Excel files today, one with 10 rows and another one with 1000 rows. So we'll try and convert them to PDF file using a website called iLovePDF. I'm going to leave this link below, or you can just copy and paste, or you can just search for it. So first we have to select the Excel files. Click here. Go to the folder where you have the files. So we'll first start with this 10 one. Let's click and convert it to PDF file. We have to wait now. It's converted. Now click download. Now open it. You'll see that it's been converted to a PDF file. Let's close this. Now go back and let's try to convert the 1000 rows file. Click again and then click the one, then convert to PDF. We have to wait again. It's been converted. Let's click and download it, and it's open the file. See, like even though it's a very long file, it's been converted to a PDF file. So this is how you convert Excel file to PDF file using online tool for free. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.